Namaste, myself Shivanand Padoddigowda. In this video lecture, I am going to take a BSc third semester Mathematics paper 2 Algebra, Analysis and Trigonometry. In this paper, I am going to deal with that a topic real analysis. In that topic itself, I am going to take the properties of Jacobians and some examples here. Now, the first property, you can take it as a theorem number 1. If j is the Jacobian of the function u and v with respect to x and y, and j dash is the Jacobian of the functions x and y with respect to u and v, then j into j dash is 1. Or u and v are the functions of x and y, then dou uv divided by dou xy into dou xy divided by dou uv is equal to 1. Okay, property, proof. LHS j into j dash, we can write dou uv divided by dou xy divided by dou into dou of uv it is. Dou u by dou x, dou u by dou y, dou v by dou x, dou v by dou y, dou x by dou u, dou x by dou v, dou y by dou u, dou v, dou y by dou v it is. Should multiply these two determinants, we can get like this here. Now that first one it is, that is dou u by dou u it is. Next one is dou u by dou v, dou v by dou u, dou v by dou u. Dou u by dou u is 1, dou u by dou v is 0. This also dou v by dou u is 0. This is 1 it is. And simplify this determinant, we are getting that 1. That would be the RHS here. Now this is the proof of the first property it is. Now we can take a, we can solve the examples. We can take u x is equal to this one, y is equal to this one, and try to solve these examples here. Okay. Now theorem number 2 it is, u and v are the functions of x and y, x and y are the functions of r and theta it is, sorry, you can make it as a theta, there it is. Then dou uv divided by dou xy is equal to dou uv divided by dou r theta divided by dou xy it is. Now first you should take the RHS here. Write that dou u by dou r theta is what in the determinant form, dou r theta divided by dou xy, right, it is as in the determinant form it is. Now multiply these two here, and observe that 1 position there it is, it becomes a dou u by dou x it is. Second position dou u by dou y. Third position it is dou v by dou x. Fourth position dou v by dou x. Then this determinant we can write it as a dou uv divided by dou xy. That would be the LHS here. Okay, we'll take the examples on this one it is. Now u is equal to this one, v is equal to this one, x is equal to r cos theta, y is equal to r sin theta it is. Now dou uv divided by dou r theta, we can calculate that it is, that is dou uv divided by dou xy divided dou r theta it is. And write that first Jacobian, second Jacobian in the determinant form, and we know already u and v are what, dou u by dou x is 2x, dou u by dou y is 2y minus 2y, dou v by dou x is 2y, dou v by dou y is 2x, and dou x by dou r is cos theta, dou x by dou theta is minus r sin theta, and dou y by dou r is r sin theta, sorry, sin theta, and this one is r cos theta. Simplify the first determinant separately, second determinant separately, there it is, 4 times x square plus y square. Here r is common, cos square plus sin square is 1, that's why it is totally 4r, but x square plus y square is r square, that's why 4r into r square, it becomes a 4r cube. Now try to solve these examples in the similar way what we did in the last example. Now these are the some references here. Okay, thank you very much.